Hello everybody, Little Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more videos of video game lesson. So sorry, I currently at City College. I was done with my 2 class away while waiting for the bus to pick me up to take me back home. So yeah, so let's focus on this lesson. Before we get started, I'd like to show you 2 things on change order. First one, this young lady here, she asked this to bring the Bears character from the name of the movie back to Disney theme parks. Please support hers, but after you read this, she explained everything about it. I felt sorry for her, and honestly, my kind heart is bless her heart. Please sign her to support this. Don't forget to take the next step to do the 2 choices that you want to share through social media or this. Please reach out to other people, to other fans. Don't give up the fight. We need to win this. Thank you. And the second thing, save our favorite lights. If you guys are a fan of Biggest Lie, to say this, please support this, and also don't forget to take the next step. There are 2 choices right here. Please reach out to other people. If you guys are really a fan of this ride, please don't give up. Hopefully we will be success and our favorite ride will be safe. Now back to the video game lesson. Remember, all these videos in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Take your time. Remember, keep an eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by the freaking console. So, look it up on the name of the game console if I go too fast. Look it up for yourself. Thank you. Sorry about that. And also, I forgot to mention it. A lot of people been asking for votes and stuff. Please don't say no thank you and stuff. Just use your manners all the time. If it's your choice, please help them out. And please don't forget to sign to save our favorite ride. Remember, don't give up. Please reach out our people who are the biggest fan of Mountain Ride. And also supporting them on Change Order. Or for us if we could win. We will win. Let me tell you my little timeline. My little story. My first time was Mountain when I was in my preteen. when I went to Disneyland. I really love the ride very, very much. So hopefully we don't let Disney redeem Smash Mountain until Presentiana ride. Is redeem into the ride is big mistake. And my heart telling me, what about yours? My heart telling me, I want Disney to build Princess Tiana her own ride, not into redeem. This is from my heart. I know there's some rooms, or build another restaurant. Build online or a restaurant. Please comment what you think I said. But I heard why you guys are complaining. It's negative. Something like that. Please stop. I'm totally sorry, but I'm at the college right now because I'm done with my class already. So yeah, keep in mind, so sorry. I am currently waiting for the bus to pick me up. It's been on the pickup time. I'll be honest, I dislike waiting so long. It caused me complaining. So yeah. I did find my way to calm me down. Do we be on my phone? What about you? How you feel? If you had experience, please comment. But not too much. We're still focused with the video game lesson, so we. One day, I'm a solo policy. Some people use a validness. I'm very policy. My bad. It happened to me too. I'm gonna use my matters like excuse my lightness. So please do the right thing for yourself, okay? But you're not in trouble though. I've been warned and taught. Well, we still warning each other though. Okay, that game console right here, that game is coming out not until next year. So sorry that outside noise. Everyone. And one more day, I am so tired because I just got out for my second last class for the day. Remember this game that Markiplier played that game? Yep, there it is. Uh, So, by the way, how's your guys' day been going? Mine is doing good. I definitely feel tired, but I not get myself down, and I only think of you guys while I make the videos to keep you guys happy. To please understand. So sorry for some people and the background noises when I clearly out before I go home. So yeah, so I'm very apology. My bad. But not to worry, we always take our time because the Switch had a lot of games throughout the alphabet order. I forgot to mention this, so you look it up wherever you want to that you saw on my screen. So yeah, but that's okay with you. It's up to you that you want to. Remember Epic said go on a change or to sign for today to save Mountain White and bring back Bears character from the movies back Disney theme parks that I saw you guys on the screen early. We do have a lot of time, but however, I got a feeling that we're running out of time. Please. We tell others to get a lot of sign. Oh, do you guys heard? The new Overwatch game is out. Overwatch 2. Remember, spoiler ahead. If you guys are a fan of Overwatch games or something like that, there are too many favorite games that you like. And I did mention about Teams Order and stuff. Don't forget Teams sign a lot to order to win the fight. Alright guys, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.